React 7 hooks is not a valid term as of my knowledge cutoff date, 2021. However, React does provide several built-in hooks that allow developers to use state and other React features and functional components. Here are some examples of commonly used React hooks. React hooks were introduced in React 16.8 and provide a way to use state and other React features and functional components. Prior to hooks, class components were the only way to use state and lifecycle methods in React. React hooks are functions that allow developers to use state and other React features and functional components. Each hook serves a specific purpose and can be used to simplify common React patterns. Some of the most commonly used hooks include useState, useEffect, useContext, and useRef. The useState hook allows you to add state to a functional component. With useState, you can declare a state variable and a function to update that variable. The state variable can then be used in your JSX code, and changes to the state will trigger a re-render of the component. The useEffect hook allows you to perform side effects in a functional component. With useEffect, you can run a function after every render, or only when certain dependencies have changed. This can be used to fetch data from an API, update the document title, or perform other side effects. The useContext hook allows you to access the nearest context object. Context is a way to pass data down the component tree without having to manually pass props through every level of the tree. With useContext, you can access the value of a context object from any component in the tree. The useRef hook allows you to create a mutable object that persists between renders. This can be useful for storing references to DOM elements, or for creating a mutable object that you can update between renders. React hooks have become a popular way to build React applications, as they allow developers to write simpler and more concise code. By using hooks, you can write functional components that have state, lifecycle methods, and other React features, without having to use class components.